photographs and memories. Christmas card you sent to me, all that I ever did to remember you. Okay, welcome to my channel, Mellowstrings. So for today's lesson, I will be teaching you the plucking of the song entitled Photographs and Memories by Croce. This is a requested song by our friend. But before we will start, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and kindly click the bell notification so that you will be updated of my latest video tutorials. Your guitar should be in standard tuning. I will be teaching you the verse, the chorus, and the solo part. For the intro, we have the chord G major 7 in a broken chord. Your G major 7 should be on the 6th string of the 3rd fret, and then 1st string of the 2nd fret. You have to pluck 6, 3, 1 and 2, 3, then pull off on the 3rd fret, 1st string to the 2nd fret, pull up, pluck first and then pull off, and then open on the 2nd and 3rd string. So it should be like this. Okay, 6, 3, 1 and 2, 3, then pull up, then open on the 2nd and 3rd. Okay, so again, so that's the slow tempo. Now for the actual tempo, it should be like this. Again. Then after this is the C major 7 in a broken chord again. It should be like this, C major 7. Once again. So your 5th string should be on the 3rd fret. Then pluck together with the 1st string. Then open on the 3rd and 2nd. And then 2nd fret on the 4th string down to 3rd and 2nd. So it should be like this. Once again. Then hammer on the 4th string, open, and then hammer on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. Then open string on the 3rd string. So it should be like this. Okay, C major 7. Once again. Okay, so that's the 2 plucking pattern for our intro. So we just need to repeat that twice. For the G major 7, then C major 7, then repeat again G major 7, C major 7. You just need to repeat twice for the run through of the intro. Okay, so that's our intro. Now let's move on to the verse part. Okay, we are on the verse part. For the verse part, we need to apply the same plucking pattern on the intro. So first is G major 7, photographs and memories, C major 7, then G major 7 again, Christmas card you, next C major 7. So this time no more hammer on. For the 2nd C major 7, we just need to pluck 5th and 1st string, then 5th and 1st string, then 3rd and 2nd, then on the 4th string of the 2nd fret down to the 3rd. That's it for the C major 7. Again, once again. because after this is the A minor 7. So A minor 7, first fret on the second string, and then fourth string on the second fret. By this time, we have a run through of the bass part. Again, then open on the third string, then second string on the first fret, then fourth string on the second fret. Okay, it should be like this. So your finger should be on the A minor 7 position. Let's repeat from the verse part. Photographs and memories, Christmas cards you sent to me, all that I... Okay, that's for the A minor 7. Next, B minor 7. Bar on the second fret, and then second string of the third fret, and then fourth string of the fourth fret. So you have to pluck 5, 3, 2, 4. 5, 3, 2, 4 for the B minor 7. 5, 3, 2, 4. Okay, from the top. Photographs and memories, Christmas card you sent to me, all that I have. Next, E minor. For the E minor, open on the 6th string, and then third, second, then fourth string on the second fret, then open on the second string again. Okay, it should be like this. 6, 3, 2, open, then second fret on the fourth string, open on the second, and then second fret of the fifth string to the first fret. Okay, because after this is A minor 7. Okay, for the A minor, okay, from the top, G major 7. Photographs and memories, Christmas card you sent to me, all that I have are these. Next, A minor 7. Remember you. For the A minor 7, open on the 5th string, open on the third string, then first fret of the second string together with the first string. It should be like this. Then fourth string on the second fret, then third string, first and second again, and then fourth string to the third string. It should be like this. Again. Okay. Okay, from the top. Photographs and memories, Christmas card you sent to me, all that I have are these. Remember you. Next, the sus2 to the D7. Okay, the sus2, open on the fourth string, then second fret, third string, then first fret of the second string together with the first string. It should be like this. In a D7 position, 4, 3, 1 and 2, 3. Next, D7 position on the second string, first fret, then third and first string, second fret. Okay, again D sus, then D7, pluck together string number 1 and 2, then 2 and 3. Again, 1 and 2, then 2 and 3. It should be like this. Okay, once again. Okay, from the top. Photograph and memories, Christmas card you sent to me, all that I have are these. Okay, next, repeat second verse. Memories that come at night, take me to another time, back to the happier days when I called you mine. So at this time, your D7, after this, there will be no more D sus2. So after A minor 7, then you have to proceed to the D7. So you have to pluck 4, 3, 1 and 2, 4 and 3. Again, 4, 3, 1 and 2, 4, 3. So it should be like this. Okay, so that's the verse part. Now let's move on to the chorus. Okay, this is our chorus. But we should have a good time when we started way back then. Morning talk in bedroom talk, oh how I love you then. Okay, that's the chorus. G major 7. Again, the same chord formation, 6 string on the 3rd fret, and then 2nd fret 1st string, but you have to pluck 6 and then 1, 2, 3 string, or 3, 2, 1. Open on the 3rd, 2nd, then 1st string on the 2nd fret, then 2 and 3. Again, once again. Next, C major 7, 5th string on the 3rd fret, then pluck string number 1, 2, and 5. Then index finger on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. So you have to pluck both, and then 4th string, then 2, 1, 2. Again, but we should have a good time when we're... Next, G major 7 again. Next, C major 7. So this time you have to pluck string number 5, 1 and 2, then 4 on the 2nd fret, then down to 3rd string, 2nd and 3rd. Okay. Again, chorus from the top. But we sure had a good time when we started way back then. Next, G major 7 with a hammer on. So 6 string on the 3rd fret together with 1st and 2nd string, open, and open to the hammer on to the 2nd fret. Then 3rd, 2nd, and 3rd string. Okay. Okay, from the top. But we should have a good time when we started way back then. Morning sun. Next, C major 7. So the same position. Then 4th string, 1st, 3rd, and 2nd. Okay. From the top, chorus. But we sure have a good time when we started way back then. Morning talk in bedroom, and B minor. How I love you, how I love you. So pluck 5th string, 2nd and 3rd, then 1st and 2nd, then 5th again. Then F minor. So based on the 4th string of the 5th fret, then bar on the 1st, 2nd, 3rd strings. So you have to pluck 5, 2 and 3, 1 and 2, and 5. Again, 5, 2 and 3, 1 and 2, and 5. Okay, B minor. Okay, from the top. We sure had a good time when we started way back when. Morning talking bedroom. Then after this is a D7. Again, pluck string number 4, 2 and 3, 1 and 2, open on the first string, and then 1 and 2 again, but this time your first string should be on the second fret. It should be like this. Once again. Okay, from the top, chorus. But we sure had a good time when we started way back when. Morning, oh, how I love you then. Okay, then after this is the another verse with the same plucking pattern. Summer skies and Caliban, like we couldn't say goodbye. Okay, so that's the plucking pattern for intro, verse, and chorus. Now let's move on to the solo part. Again. Okay, from the top. Okay, that's for the solo part. Next, after this is the same with intro. Okay, that's the plucking tutorial for the song entitled Photographs and Memories. So I hope you like it. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and kindly click the bell notification for you to be updated of my guitar tutorial. So thank you and God bless.